Hey everyone, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be talking with our friend Manny and his drifting car. His drifting car is very special. It's almost like a very unique setup, isn't that right, Manny? It's like a one of one, I think?
No, this was they only made a limited run at one point, and he just brought them back, so we started making another batch in November, I believe, or October.
Okay.
But they're still not that common, I should say.
Okay, very cool.
Yeah.
So the vehicle itself, here guys, as you can see, Manny was telling me this is a Tamiya body. So this is I think a 190, right? A 190 Tamiya body?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a Nissan GTR, it looks like?
Yes, DTM style.
DTM style?
Yeah.
Alright, super cool, man. So here's the body, guys, as you can see. It's really cool. Painted by Manny?
Yeah, I've made all my shells.
Yeah, I've seen your other shells and they do look really nice.
Yeah, this was I painted the team color, and this was the test subject.
Oh, okay.
It's not the same as the rest, it's a little bright yellow.
Oh, okay. So you drift with your team?
Yeah.
Okay, shout out to your team. What's the name of your team?
Yeah, you can find us on Instagram on Drift Goons Crew RC.
All right, Drift Goons, guys. On Instagram at Drift Goons. Check them out, guys. All right, so here is the outside layer. Now, what I'm interested in, like I kind of want to see is I want to see the inside. So I'll get Manny to take the shell out. Manny, if you don't mind. All right, so like you mentioned earlier, so this is actually a Sakura D4 setup.
It is a D4, yeah. This is the DS Racing Nemesis conversion.
DS Racing Nemesis conversion. Okay, first time I've seen this top plate right here before. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, so when you get the conversion, you get the top deck with the battery holder. The battery goes in here.
Yeah.
You get the bottom plate. You get the front shot tower, front body post, or the front bumper plate here, I should say.
Yeah.
And you also get the arms, as you can see, the holders here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you get those. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Really nice. I like how they did the whole stealth battery in here. It's almost like it's just kind of in between, like on top of the electronics, it looks like.
Yeah, you could do it this way, the way I have it set up, or you can put this down, so you eliminate these posts, and it goes flat down.
Yeah.
And the battery will go the original way, sideways.
Oh, super
yeah, so
cool.
you get two options, low or high.
That's super cool.
Yeah, depending on your setup.
That's really cool. What are you running here for gears here? So it looks like this is a what, 92?
Yeah, that's the stock gear or spur gear.
92 spur.
Yeah.
And then you got
The pinion, I believe it's a 23 or 24. I believe, I can't remember.
I think it's a 24.
Yeah, it's a very high pinion. It's like I said, this was just a quick build because the motor here I got from one of my friends. It's an 8.5, which is too much for drifting here locally.
Yeah, too much?
Yeah, way too much. I was saying go with a 10.5 to 13.5. Will give you more torque,
Okay.
which will give you the push you need.
All right, very nice. So as I can see, first thing, the electronics is MST gyro.
Yeah, LSD, the 2.0. So this one I can control it through my receiver on channel 3.
Oh, you can control this?
Yes, you can control
Through
it
your-
my remote. Yeah.
Wow. Like the sensitivity.
Yes. How much I want. Low, high, off.
Wow.
So it'll be this red cable going into my receiver right here. And I run
Futaba.
Yeah.
Okay.
7PX.
7PX Futaba. And that works well. Oh, you've experimented with a lot of different stuff, right? A lot of radios, a lot of electronics.
Yeah. Spectrum I ran. Good for beginners. I also ran Sanwa.
Yeah.
MT4S and the M12 RS.
Yeah.
And then now I have a Futaba 7PX.
Oh, very nice. Cool. And over here is this here is an aftermarket part, right? The slider.
Yes, this is not stock.
Yeah, so you upgraded that slider there.
Yeah, the slide rack. Yeah.
Oh, nice. All right, that's fantastic. You got yourself a serious setup here.
Yeah.
And you know, with all the experience that you have, you've been coming you know, for years with all your cool projects, and this one looks like it definitely is the icing on the cake for sure. So I definitely want to congratulate you on being a new, you said you got sponsored by...
Yeah, DS Racing is a full sponsor of mine.
Very cool.
That's how I got this at a...
Okay, very cool.
At a very good price, I guess.
Yeah. Awesome. I mean, those are the perks when they sponsor you, right? So,
Yes.
so big shout out to DS Racing for sponsoring Manny here. He's a fantastic drifter. I've known him for a long time, and he definitely knows his stuff. Big shout out to Drift Goons, the Drifting Goons.
Yeah, Drift Goons Crew RC.
Drift Goons, Drift RC. And guys, you can check out Manny's YouTube channel as well. Manny, what's the name of your YouTube channel?
It's MDez RC Studio. So MDEZ RC and then Studio.
Okay, perfect. Sweet, guys. Check out his channel for all his cool builds. And go give him a thumbs up, guys. He just got sponsored, so super cool, man. Super cool. Manny, thank you so much for bringing in your awesome drift car.
No problem. Thanks for having me.
No worries. Thank you.